Hello guys, good morning, good evening. Today we are gonna do a challenge from Blue Team Labs Online. This is a challenge related to digital forensics. This challenge is actually quite small, it just has like 4 questions in them, so we'll see. Okay, let me download the file. Let's open it. Okay. And those of you who are new to Blue Teams, when you extract something, you'll see it asks for password, right? And if you see the password, it's mentioned just along the download link. Okay, so it's BTLO. Let me type it out. Alright, it's extracted. Let me go to the downloads again. There it is. Let's open the images. Okay, so there are 2 images. Okay, let's see what the questions are. Camera model, when was the picture taken? So basically, going through the questions, what I can see is they are referring to the metadata, right? And the good thing about Blue Team Labs is that in the challenges they do mention like the tools you can use or what they do give a hint to the technologies, right? So we'll be using Exif in this case. Let me install Exif so you guys can follow along. That will be sudo install Exif2. My password. Okay, and I just showed you guys how to install it. I already had it in my system before. But when you first download ExifTool, you'll have to use Perl for it. And if you don't have Perl in your Linux, this is the command on your screen right now. It could be somewhere here. This command, you can use this to download the ExifTool. Alright, let's see if it's installed properly. Use for command. Yes, it's working. Okay, now we have to go to see the metadata, right? So we'll just do a simple command which says, or first go to the directories and downloads, and then we'll do cd, what's the name? Yeah, okay, now we'll do exif upload 1.jpg. Okay, so we can see a bunch of details over here now. um, Yep, we will probably have something in this, and then let's open the second one as well once. Let's see what is there. So we have everything on the screen, right? That's just like I like to do things. Okay, now what's the question? First question, what is the camera model? If we go through the details of the first one, you'll probably see the camera model here somewhere. Yep, we have the camera model name, right? Yeah, okay. And what's the second one? When was the picture taken? I these details are probably here as well. So it would be, did I just pass through it? Ah, okay. So this is the date, right? So this is the time which we'll use. Uh, when was the picture taken? The second one says what is the comment in the first image says. Okay, so we already have the first image open. So okay, yeah, someone knows that we are looking for him. So the last question is, where could the criminal be? Let's just go through the details again. If we see, we have a GPS position here, alright. Let's just see what it gives us. Let's see. Space it here. See what Google Earth gives us. Ooh, wow. Okay, it's loading up. Okay, we have the city. I think they were asking for the city name, right? Yeah, they were asking for the city name. So we have the city name. Okay, now let's just try to fill all the details once. Okay, from the top. So the second question is, when was the picture taken? Let's just go through the details and see. Created. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be. Let's just have it here. Alright, what does the comment on the first image says? Yeah, we know where to look for. Here it is. Oh man, I just closed it. Okay, where could the criminal be? We did the Google search of the GPS coordinates. Google Earth told us that it's Coronado, right? But if we look at the images, these images certainly have a Asian vibe to them. This is like a temple, and then some. It does definitely look to me like someplace in Asia. So probably these GPS coordinates have been tampered with, right? And it is quite evident because we can see the comment has been modified as well, right? It's not a normal comment that you see when you take a picture. So we'll do a reverse image search in this case, right? And we'll just upload our image here. So this is downloads, the second one, right? Okay. Yeah, we got some results, and if we can see, it says Kathmandu, right? Yeah, definitely. Okay. Phew, we have completed the lab. Thank you guys. Hope you have a nice day. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comments. Thank you. Bye.